Well, hello you tasteful troublemakers, I'm Yannick and you're not. We're back one more time for what might just be the final flight of this season. Season 3 baby, who would have thought stupid scripts and flying soup cans would make it this far? Today's spot is a mysterious metal art thingy that looks like someone lost a bet in design school. But hey, turns out it's full of gaps, angles and a very cool way to get your propeller spiritually confused. I pulled out the tiny whoop and gave it a spin. Clean gaps, near misses, accidental tricks that looked completely intentional. Felt cool. Might have looked cool too, that's 2 cools for you, you're welcome. And now we are here, at the end of season 3. If you've been watching, laughing, shaking your head or just wondering why this grown man is narrating drone flights like it's performance art, thank you, for real. Will there be a season 4? Maybe, maybe not. The lipos are charging, the goggles are foggy, just how we like it. The future is unknown, machines are taking over. See you when you see me. Until then, stay sketchy, send it, and keep whooping. Goodbye.